Check it out. This is how I make restaurant-style kale. Start with salting a large pot of water, bring it up to a boil. Slice up some onion and red bell pepper. Get your pan on medium heat, add some extra virgin olive oil, then add the veggies. Season it with hot seeds, adobo, sea salt, fresh black pepper, and a little Italian seasoning. Check out that homegrown garlic. Go ahead and mince up the garlic. Add it to the pan and cook it until it's fragrant. Then add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and set aside. Add your kale to the boiling salted water. Add some extra virgin olive oil back to your pan. Don't forget your hot seeds. Salt, pepper, adobo, Italian seasoning. Add the kale back to the pan for roughly 3 minutes. Then adjust your seasoning and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.